Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we have another unboxing. This is going to be the last one. This is a phone that a subscriber sent me on YouTube. Said I should buy. It wasn't a bad price, so we went ahead and picked it up. There it is. I'll tripod a little bit. It is the Samsung SGH-A117. Let's see, it looks like they taped it. Nah. So we got the owner's manual, and here is the phone. Looks to be in decent shape, probably needs a little cleaning. I think the battery's out of it still. Doesn't have a SIM card, but we'll see if this battery has any power in it first. Does have a charger. Looks like it does. Yeah, it says insert SIM. Looks to be in really good shape actually as well. So there's the unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.